Will there be more homework on account that there's 5 days of work into 4?
That's a good question.
I'm going to take that right away, and I'm going to tell you that if a teacher is telling you that it's going to be 5 days of work in 4, they're seeing the very narrow focus. They don't see the picture. They don't get it. That tells me and us that it's our job to instruct them or help them or teach them. That is not the case. That should not be the case. You shouldn't have to do that. If a teacher tells you that and that's what they're doing, then they aren't doing a very good job of teaching. Because the idea is to take what it is I'm supposed to know, break it up and move it around so that it's more interesting, more engaging, and you get more done in a shorter period of time. You combine things. Instead of it being, what's this year this happened, what did this happen, and who did this, and who said that, let's combine it into what's the real purpose and the reason that took place in the first place. What's the cause and effect of that? That's higher level thinking. That's what's supposed to happen. And that's my job ultimately to make sure that that takes place. And that's what I'm going to look for. And I'll watch for that. And I've heard people say that. That's common. We are sending those people to get some advanced training right now to see if they can do a better job of understanding, how it is am I supposed to do that. That shouldn't be the case. Go.
One of the things that we talked about is with the concerns of 5 days being crammed into 4 and how that would work and being stressful for the students and the teachers is that we want to make those 4 days of classes are 55, 60 minutes long of meaningful instruction. In other words, there's no dead time, no waste time. You're on point. You are cutting out and trimming out any fluff or any fat, and you are basically getting to the essentials of what kids need to do to move on. And as departments, it's better for us to communicate what those things are and collaborate those things and make sure that, in history, for instance, for me, I don't need to go over a lot of the stuff in the Industrial Revolution or the Revolutionary War. That picks up in history. That adds more time to their teaching schedule, and it eliminates some of the stress that I have. So finding ways and communicating as teachers and staff to make sure that those 4 days are very focused and very meaningful instruction days, and not just, okay, I have 20 minutes of class and I can have an assignment or something like that and give them something to do. We want to eliminate those kind of activities altogether. And like Rich said, higher level of thinking, student engagement, making sure that we are preparing them, a little bit better than what we do now.